This is the quickest way to scan your signature in Microsoft Word or to digitize it, to transform it from a paper signature into a digital one. This is the simplest way. I won't use anything fancy. As you can see here, my picture isn't really impressive. I also have my table here, so you don't need to complicate it. This is all done in Microsoft Word. No Photoshop, no external tool. But what I'll do is I'll select the picture and click right here, crop. So I will beautifully crop my picture. Click enter, and now this is it. What I'll do is I'll want to click this button right here, corrections, and I will use picture correction options. And you want to do two things here. On the right hand side, we have sharpness and brightness. Obviously we have more, but this is what we need. You want to take sharpness down to the max, and brightness, you don't want to take this to the max because then you won't see anything. But I want to slowly increase the brightness until I see a clear white background. And this looks about right. So I'm pretty much done with it. This is my signature now. The last thing you want to do is right click and do save as a picture and just save it wherever you want. And then you can just drag and drop it, upload it. Obviously you also see here, I have a nice graphite crayon effect. So that plays in nicely. If you don't want that, you can just use a pen. So I've used mine. You saw the table that I used. This can be avoided if you want it. If not, I think this looks a bit better than a digitally generated signature. But the last mention I wanted to do was if you add in a picture of the signature that is not a legally binding signature, so it won't hold any weight in a court of law. For that, I suggest using SignHouse, so you can even upload this very picture. I'll show you this, which is slightly out of the scope of this video, but what I'll do is I'll do upload. I'll use this, my new signature, and that's it. It's right here. I can use it, move it around, and this now is a legally binding signature.